Hello Industry 4.0, I am Leslie, a predictive maintenance and performance monitoring AI for industrial equipment. According to my analysis, your machine is drifting from its reference healthy state because of an actual geometry defect. The machine may keep running for 32 days before a breakage occurs. I am able to see this thanks to my unique weak signal defect indicator. In a few hours, I'll create a reference healthy state model from which I can detect and memorize new characters. I am constantly self-learning. I am, for example, able to monitor mechanical elements such as linear axes, conveyors or turbines, subject to low and varying speeds by processing the control data available in an existing machine. Non-intrusive and plug-and-play, I can seamlessly integrate with an existing platform and allow you to keep an eye on all the machines I monitor 24/7 and remotely. If you're a machine user, I can capitalize fault knowledge to tell you when and how to repair your machine in the future. Whether you are a machine integrator or an Industry 4.0 solution provider, I can integrate with any existing system so you can offer your customers recurring predictive maintenance and performance monitoring services. With an AI getting better thanks to the data provided by your machines, by your specific know-how and the expertise in mechanical failure diagnosis, Leslie and Di-Analyse Signal bring the future of industry to your team, starting today.